there are a lot of answers which we are looking for, and these answers are locked up in books which we've not read. They are locked up in persons which we've not connected to. They are locked up in environments which we've not been to. So reading actually helps us to energize our minds. So your brain, your mind is like a muscle, and a muscle is something that what if you energize, you do more of exercises, you do warm-ups, you do a lot of things, your muscle becomes toned and strong. So also your brain. The more you involve your brain in activities, the more you think, the more you are able to explore, read books and do a lot of things. You become versatile, you become good, you become very, very great in that field. So the more you search for things that actually better your life, the more you advance yourself and better than your field. So activating your brain comes when you read. So if you read, you activate your mind, you enable yourself to think through and make some very crucial decisions. So your experience comes when you read, when you expose yourself to different phenomena, different experiences, or when you are asked to do something or make a decision on something, and when you've not read, you've not seen some words before, you've not seen some things before, you've not encountered a lot of things before, you may not have that experience to deliver that thing. Reading also gives you room for discrimination, because there are some places you go to and it will be as if I've heard this before, and what I heard before is not what I'm saying. So this thing I already know it to be like this. So because I already know this thing to be like this, I have read it, I know it, I value it, I trust what I already know. So you can discriminate and tell the person that this is actually the right thing to do. So most of the times we read because we want to pass exams, but actually we are supposed to read because we want to make ourselves better. After passing the exam, you forget about what you read, and it becomes what? Residual knowledge. We are not supposed to be bothered about residual knowledge. We are supposed to be bothered about knowledge that remains, knowledge that we have in us, knowledge that we can use to solve some countless problems that comes around. So you see, forget about the whole idea of exams. It is not all about exams. Life is all about learning. So how fast, how well have you groomed yourself? Are you really grooming yourself? Are you really learning? Or you are all about passing exams? Please, I urge you to try your possible best to expose your mind to great things, just the way you expose your mind, expose your muscles to exercises and make yourself better. So also you need to expose your mind so that it can stretch.